Today, I'm going to show you how I make my class notes and explain the method I use.
You can write notes just like in a regular notebook, but you can also create tables, add images, and attach links. It's a convenient app that works like a combination of a notebook, a planner, and a file folder. I use this app to make notes for class preparation. I can organize the content in tables, create vocabulary lists, and attach video links. I can also check the same notes on both my computer and my smartphone. From here, I'll show you how I make my class notes. I take screenshots of the PDF materials, paste them into Notion, and transcribe the text. Then, I organize it into a table with English and Japanese and check the vocabulary. This time, the material is an English lesson based on a TED Talk. Next, I take screenshots of the necessary parts. Then I paste them into Notion. The next step is to convert the screenshots into text. If you just paste the PDF images into Notion, you can't copy or edit the text. So I ask Notion's AI to transcribe the screenshots into text. Then the English and Japanese in the image are converted into editable text data. By doing this, it becomes much easier to organize the sentences into a table later and to extract and review unfamiliar vocabulary. This step is an important part of preparing your notes efficiently. Notion has transcribed the screenshot into text. To use the result, click the Copy button below. Here, click Paste to insert the text into your Notion page. The transcribed text has now been pasted into Notion like this. Both the English and Japanese sentences are displayed together, and from here, we'll start organizing them. Select the part you want to ask the AI to work on, and click the Ask AI button. Please make this into a table with English on the left and Japanese on the right. Separate each row by sentence. Then click the arrow button in the bottom right corner. To apply the AI suggestion, tap Allow here. Then, the English and Japanese text will be organized into a table format. After applying the AI's suggestion, you'll get a table like this, with English on the left and Japanese on the right. Each sentence is separated into its own row, making it very easy to compare and understand the content. Here, we add one more column. In this column, I put unfamiliar words or the ones I've looked up. By organizing them this way, I can create my own personal dictionary. When I find a word I don't understand while reading the English text, I highlight it in red like this. Then I use the AI to look up its meaning and write it in the column on the right. By organizing the words this way, I can use this note as my own personal vocabulary list. So far, I've explained the process of how to create class notes. Now, let's take a look at the actual steps on screen. We'll import the PDF material into Notion, transcribe the text from screenshots, and organize the English and Japanese sentences into a table format. Then, we'll add vocabulary and use the notes for class preparation. Please watch the following demonstration. I take a screenshot of the PDF material. I paste the screenshot into Notion. I ask Notion's AI to transcribe this screenshot into text. In practice, I use a short prompt and simply ask, "Transcribe the screenshot."
I tap the copy button. I tap the paste button. The text has been pasted into Notion. I select the English sentences and their translations to make them into a table. I give the AI the following instruction. Please make this into a table with English on the left and Japanese on the right. Separate each row by sentence. Then, I click the arrow button in the bottom right corner. I click Allow. A table with English and Japanese side by side has been completed. I add one more column. If I find a word I don't understand while reading the English text, I highlight it in red. I use the AI to look up the meaning of unfamiliar English words. I cut it and paste it into the right column. I repeat this process of looking up English words until I reach the end.
Finally, here's a quick summary. Using Notion makes it easy to organize your class notes efficiently. You can arrange English and Japanese sentences side by side in a table, and even look up unfamiliar words to build your own personal dictionary. By using these notes for preparation, you'll understand your lessons much more deeply. I hope you'll try using Notion to support your own learning from now on. Thank you for watching.